Are you getting off gas? Or maybe you've already got off gas and you've decommissioned your through the floor ducted heating system? Fantastic. And now, how to deal with the registers. You're probably thinking, oh, let's take them out and somehow we're going to match the timber and how we're going to hold it in and make it seamless. Well, it's pretty hard, isn't it? The easiest thing is to just leave the registers where they are and use Goodbye heating vents. Just lift the register off, get the chunk of polyester insulation and push it into the duct. That's important because rodents are going to come to that and they're going to go somewhere else. They're not going to come through that way. The next thing is get the foil board and push it into the adapter boot. With the Ultra Clear, seal around it, make airtight, and while you're at it, you might need to seal the boot to the floor as well because very often gaps there too. Get the register, drop it back in, and there you go, job done. And the register looks just like it did before. But you know what? Whatever happens to the ducting under the floor, you don't care because no rodents and no draft. Goodbye heating vents. Get some. Happy draft proofing.